Hey, hello.
Hi,
Hey, how are you today, my friend?
I'm very good. How are you?
Good, I'm doing okay. It's about 9 in the morning in the US where I'm from.
Oh,
So just getting my day started talking with you.
yeah,
Yeah,
have a good day.
yeah.
Yeah, it is 8:45 at night in my India.
Wow. Oh wow, that is a big time difference. Okay, I wasn't sure. But I know East Asia, the time difference. I wasn't sure about India.
Yeah,
Yeah. So almost completely reversed. So if you want to know the time in America, at least the middle of America, you
yeah,
can add 1 hour to your time and then switch AM to PM. So it's
yeah,
9 AM here, 8 PM India, uh,
yeah.
if that makes
Exactly.
sense.
Yeah.
Yeah. So my name is David. It's good to meet you.
Yeah, my name is Ujjwal. Nice to meet you.
Ajul, I like that name, Ajul. Very
Yeah, thank
cool.
you.
So Ajul, first I'd like to ask, do you have any specific questions for me today about English? Any words you don't know or pronunciation? It's okay if not. I just like to ask.
Yeah, I haven't questioned yet, so I just wanted to normal chat here. So that's why
Okay,
I joined.
awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome, good deal.
And there is another reason that I choose you. I
Mhm.
selected you. Now, basically, I'm a student, so I'm doing my
Mhm.
graduation. But I have my own business, so
Nice.
we sell our own products in globally. So
Mhm.
yeah, we produce a lot of type of products and sell them in international market.
I see.
Yeah, I have worked with New Zealand, but now I'm looking to work with the America. So
Oh, nice.
yeah, now I'm finding some American agent who can help me to increase the sale to to help me to sell my products.
Mhm.
Would you like to
I
see? I can show you some pictures.
Yeah, yeah, I would. That's awesome.
Yeah, I was working, so my PC was on.
Mhm.
So, like this.
Huh.
Yeah.
I see. Oh, that's cool. So do you make those too? Or do you
Sorry?
so you make those products? Those are your products that you sell?
Yeah, these type of products we sell.
Wow, that's awesome. Good for you. That's so cool.
Yeah. So have you ever seen this type of products ever?
I have, yeah. Yeah, those they kind of sell those at like where would they sell those? Certain kind of shops. Like we have a store in America called World Market or Cost. It's a few different names like Cost Plus, that's World Market. So
Yeah.
they sell products from around the world. They sell like handmade like baskets from Africa and lamps from different countries. So your product would go really good in the World Market store in the US.
Do you know this type of man who can who can help me to connect with the buyers?
I don't. I'm sorry. I'm not super connected to the business world. Um, yeah, I would say probably talking to your agent, the guy you're working with, probably be the best. But I really, honestly, if I were you, I would Google World Market or Cost Plus. I would just Google them. They
Yeah,
they
like
ha- they'll ha-
I did
they'll
this.
have some emails. I would just start emailing them. Email like different people in the company because they work with business people around the world buying products just like yours. So I would try and get in touch with them and email them, see if you can set up like an online meeting, because your product would go really good. Any kind of international store that sells like gifts or like handmade international products, I would research those businesses. Yeah.
Yeah, so now I'm looking for this. I have my own website basically. If you are if you know any shops that you can help me, if you can increase my sale, let us consider if you can increase my sale, so I can give you like some commission per order. So this type of works I will do.
Yeah.
So I'm finding that type of agent who can help me.
I gotcha. That's awesome, man.
Yeah.
Yeah, I would encourage you to just keep doing research. Now for me myself, I'm an English teacher, so
Yeah.
I don't have the business connections.
Yeah.
But keep researching international businesses because there are businesses that would love to buy your products. It's specifically look for businesses that buy international, like handmade or like products international. Because there's like World Market, there are businesses that will buy that. There are.
Yeah, yeah. So, like, what can the more ways to sell our products globally?
Mhm,
So, what can
exactly.
the more ways? Yeah.
So what's that?
Like, what can be the more ways to sell our product?
Um, I don't know. Honestly, I don't really know. But I just know World Market is a good place to start. That'd be a good place to start. Um,
Oh.
and I would just I would Google like American companies that sell international product, like the one that you sell, and just start from there. But I know World Market is the one that I would suggest for you. Yeah.
Mm, okay.
Yeah. And I really like World Market. I was just there I shop there like once a week. And like I said, it's a lot of products just like yours. So that's a
Oh,
good one. That's a good one to start.
yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
Okay.
Huh.
So, okay, so what do you do like besides teaching?
That's actually my mainly I am a English teacher. Um, It was kind of a crazy time for me. So I got my master's in teaching English right. Before COVID happened.
Yeah.
So all the kind of universities and everything kind of shut down. Um, but so since then I've moved to online teaching. But this year I'm really hoping to travel. I'm hoping to do more traveling and do some different things that I want to do this year. So hopefully have some new experiences this year after the pandemic and everything. Yeah. What about you? So is that your full-time job running your business, or do you other things, or what about for you?
Like it is a small business. Like besides my studies, so I do some like I give some my time to my business. Like
Mhm,
what it told me to do Google. So like
mhm,
I did many times. Like I'm at the American company, decorative American company, and like I mailed them,
mhm.
but I didn't get a response yet. But yeah, I'll try.
Yeah. Keep trying. Don't give up, man. Don't give up. I would literally, if I were you, I would find like 100 to 100 and maybe 200 different companies. Like just start Googling because I don't really know the company. I just know World Market. That's why
Yeah.
I share that with you. But I would Google like find like 100 to even 200 or maybe 300 different companies that sell like your kind of product, like those shapes and animals like for gifts. And that specifically want international products and just email all of them and show them a picture of your product and what it looks like. And and then, if you email 100, most aren't going to reply. But
Yeah.
if you email 100 businesses, probably at least 3 to 5 will reply. And those
Yeah.
are the ones that you want to work with.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So like,
That's my suggestion.
yeah, yeah, I will do that. Okay,
Yeah.
so I have a question. Yes.
Yeah.
So, have you ever got any scam call?
A scam call. I probably have, but if I don't recognize the number, I don't answer my phone. So
Yes.
I'm sure they've tried to call me. I'm a hard one to get to answer the phone sometimes. Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah,
Because
there is a real. Oh, sorry. Go
yeah,
ahead. Go ahead.
yeah. So like I'm saying, I saw the YouTube video that they were the like American YouTubers. So I saw the video that they got a
Hmm.
scam call. I don't know from which company. So they got a
Yeah.
scam call. Yeah, I think from OLX.
Mm,
So like the scammer called him to sell their bike from
mhm.
OLX. So yeah,
Yeah.
but that person could understood that like this is a scam call. So yeah, they avoided it.
Yeah. Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
There's a really viral video of a scam caller calling a police chief of police at a police department in the U.S. And they're basically the police are just kind of having fun with them, kind of like making fun of them. But they had him on speakerphone, and the police chief is talking to him, and the scammer is, like, trying to tell him they'll be arrested if they don't, like, buy their product or something. And they just, like, recorded it and uploaded, and that yeah, that one went viral too. Yeah. Yeah. Huh.
So
So
like,
I'm
may I know
curious.
your city name?
Oh, sorry, what's that?
Yeah, may I know your city name?
I'm sorry, I couldn't quite catch that.
Yeah, I'm saying like, may I know your city name?
My
Your
synonym?
city.
My city?
Your city.
Um, yeah, so I'm in Colorado. I live around the kind of, like, right if you look at the very center of the country. I'm kind of in the excuse me, the center of the country. Yeah, yeah.
So like,
Have ha have
yeah.
you ever traveled or been to another country before?
No, I haven't traveled like out of country before. Yeah, I would like to
Yeah,
travel.
yeah.
Yeah.
I would love to visit India someday. So where in India are you from?
I am from the northern part of India. My state name is Uttar Pradesh.
Oh, right. Oh, that's cool. So what
Yeah.
are some, like, famous things about that area?
Like in Uttar area, the people mostly come and enjoy the nature, basically.
Oh, that's
Yeah.
cool.
And the
Huh.
person who, yeah, the person who are nature lover, so they definitely love the northern place, because in Uttarakhand and so in Uttarakhand, there are a lot of huge mountains, and we can see the snow there, and we can feel the real nature there. So yeah, I love Uttarakhand.
Huh. That's so
Mhm.
awesome. I would love to visit India someday. I think it's just
Yeah.
such a cool culture and just a cool country.
And yeah, have a cool culture. Like we have a lot of type of languages, and we have a lot of type of dishes. So
Mhm.
yeah, yeah, India is very love.
Uh, that's awesome. What's your favorite food that you'd recommend trying in India?
Like my favorite food is which I daily take. So it's my chapati and simple
Chapati.
dal.
Oh,
Yeah, simple
yeah.
dal rice and chapati. So I like
Huh.
that. It's a normal food and a very light food. So we can easily digest this. And like
Yeah.
in another, I like some junk food, fast food also.
Yeah.
Dosa, pizza, burger. So yeah, these.
Huh.
So what about
Yeah,
you?
nice. Um, yeah, so I had a friend, she's an international student from India. And so I would go to, like, the India festival here in my city, and try different Indian food. I forget what she would have, what she'd make, but all the Indian food, like the samosas, we try samosas. What are they called?
Mhm.
Like jalebis, jalabis,
Yeah,
jalabis.
jalebis.
Yeah, jalebis, samosas. Um, oh, there's a lot more. I can't remember the name though. Um, yeah, but yeah, a lot of really good Indian food. But here in America, my favorite food, honestly, I like cheeseburgers. I know that's like a stereotype, but cheeseburgers are good. Burgers are good. Um, I know pizza and burger is like the stereotypical American food. Um, if you ever in America, if you ever see the restaurant, I recommend Five Guys. Five Guys is really, it's like it's not healthy fast food, but their burgers are really good.
Yeah, hopefully I'll
Yeah.
try.
Yeah, I hope you can. I hope you can. So you said you're studying. You're in university, is that right?
Yeah, I'm in university right now. It's my first year. So like I'm doing my graduation. I'm Bachelor of Business
Oh,
Administration, BBA.
oh, that's cool. So you have your business and you're studying business in school.
Yeah,
Wow,
yeah.
you're gonna be really successful, man. That's awesome.
Hmm. Thank you.
Huh. That's cool. And how long have you been studying English for?
Like I've been optimizing English for over like maybe 1 year, for over 1 year. But I
Yeah.
used to watch a lot of English movies on YouTube in American movies, animation videos. So like I was thinking that now I should join cambly, because like
Yeah.
American accent is too different from the Indian accent, British accent. So
Yeah.
firstly, I had to understand the American accent. So I did it, and I used to watch a lot of American movies to understand your accent. And now
Mhm.
finally, like I thought, now I should join. So I am here.
Yeah, that's awesome, man. That's a great idea. I know there's just a little bit of time left, but having just a natural conversation with someone, it really is one of the best ways to learn a language. That's what I learned in my university. So good your English is good, man, just good for you.
Yeah. Thank you, thank you. Okay.
Alright, my
So,
friend, good
I'm
meeting you. Alright, see you, man, have a good night.
have a good day.